keyboard, Motospeed CK104 I bought from Gearbest. It's a very value for money keyboard, mechanical keyboard. You cannot find in this price any other, and you can have many modes with the LEDs. I highly recommend it from Gearbest. It's a very good price.